Today it's not sunny. It's not sunny, guys. Today it's cloud and rainy. It's been rainy all day long. All right. So it's not time for barbecue today. All right. But I'm gonna make a delicious food. All right. You guys hungry? All right. I'm hungry. All right, guys. Today I'm gonna make delicious potatoes salad. All right, guys, delicious. All right, that's what I need to do this recipe. All right, guys, so I'm gonna start. I have here a half Italian onion. All right, I have 4 eggs. I have a half cup of raisins, right, to give that flavor, guys. All right, so here I have a half apple. I have 4 beets. All right, I have 3 eggs here for decoration only. All right, guys, and also I have 6 carrots, and I have 10 potatoes. All right, guys, and also I have 1 teaspoon of salt. I have 3 teaspoons of olive oil, and I have 2 jars of mayonnaise. Alright, guys, you guys can use any mayonnaise you want. And also, you guys can see when you put the mayonnaise, you guys can see you might also gonna need 2 jars. Alright, each jar is 30 OZ. Alright, so I have 2 here. Alright, maybe I'm not gonna use both. Okay, so we see. Alright, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. Alright, guys, let's go. My water is boiling. Alright, so it's time to cook the vegetables. Alright, I'm gonna bring here my potatoes. Just drop there. Okay. Also, after I cook these potatoes, and I'm gonna cut in small pieces. Alright, so after it's cooked. Alright, that's my, okay, this is my beets. Okay, that's my beets. You guys can take a look here if you guys want to see this. Alright, my beets, very good. And also I have here my carrots. Okay, I'll just drop them. Sometimes the carrots, of course, they cook faster than the beets. Okay, so when it's cooked, so I can take it out. Alright, so I'm gonna leave this here. Alright, let's cook. I'll cover this and this, and I'll see you in a little bit, guys. Woo! God, time to check. Alright, guys, time to check. Alright, so let's go. Alright, very good. Everything's boiling, everything's looking good. So for you to check if it's ready, you have to get this, you have to stick there. It's almost ready. Alright, it's almost ready. I'm gonna leave it here for like 10 more minutes. Alright, and after that, and I'm gonna peel everything, alright, and cut in very small pieces. Finally cut. Okay? See you guys in a little bit. Oh, hold on a second, guys. Hold on a second. I almost forgot. It's time to cook my eggs. Alright, very good. I almost forgot. I'm sorry about that. Alright, so I'm gonna cook my eggs. Very good. I have here 4 more. Right? Okay. It's looking good. Very good. Alright, 7 eggs. Alright. See you guys in a little bit. Hey guys. Alright, very good. Guess what? Everything's finished here. Alright, everything's cooked. Alright, I cut in small pieces. You can see all the colors and the flavor comes together. Alright guys, can you see here? See that, guys? All the flavor comes together. Alright, so I left here 1 of each so I can show you guys how to do it. Okay, first, this is the potato. You peel the potato, take the skin off. Alright, very easy to do it. Anybody can do it, right? And this goes very well with your barbecue, okay guys? Goes very well with your barbecue, right? Good. Good. All right. So what you do is 1, 2, 3. Flip that side. 1 and 2. Right in the right way. Like that. Right. Good. All right. So mix it up. And that's done. Okay, next step. Celery. Alright. Good. See this peeling. Please. I have a good salad. Alright. Very good. It's looking good. So now you cut this way. Right? And this way. Right guys? So you cut in small pieces. Right? Finely sharp. Oops, one foot off. Catch that one. Alright, very good. You just cut like this. Right, looking good. So now the beets. So the beets too has to be small, okay? Okay. This way, right? Okay, my dog is a little sick today, so he's taking his medicine. Right, now this one, so just like this. Right? Good. And finally cut. See, finally sharp. Right, it's looking good. So the eggs, like this. Oops, back here. Right, like that. One in the middle. And you just like this. Right, let's cut. So let me just wash my hands here. Alright guys, and now it's time for the preparation. So the color's beautiful color. Alright, very good guys. Alright, this is my onions. Okay. Onions. This is raisins. Alright. Good. You guys, the color and the flavor come together, and that is good, guys. Now my soap. Just pour everywhere. Right? This is my olive oil. Good. Good. It's good at this. Alright, now my apples. Alright, my apples guys. Bring that flavor together, right? So you just put it everywhere. Good. Alright, very good. Alright, so now let's see how many we're gonna need here. How many mayonnaise we're gonna need, okay? So let's like that. Right? Good. looking good. All right. So now we're gonna start to mix. Right. And after this, am I gonna use the whole thing? All right. So I see you guys a little bit. It's almost done. All right. Hey guys, all right. All right, guys. Hey guys, I'll show you the finished product. All right. So, be scared. Don't be scared, guys. All right, let's go. Okay, guys, this is my finished product. All right. This recipe goes with any patty. All right, in your barbecue, guys. All right, so you can have this with your barbecue. All right, and I'm sure that it's delicious. All right, but I'll let you know. All right, good. It's looking good. I'll let you know, guys. All right. A piece of the eggs. Look, guys, the flavor is melting in my mouth. Take another piece here. Very good. Very easy to do it. Okay, guys. This is delicious, guys. All right, guys. You guys have a good weekend, right? Love you all.